back to RTV at realtorvision.com. My name is Chad, and today we're going to go over integrating your CubiCasa account into RTV. Starting from the dashboard, we're going to go to Settings, scroll down, CubiCasa, and here, this is where you can enable it so you can have automatic imports of floor plans. You're going to need your API key and your CubiCasa account email. If you click here, you'll have written instructions that you can follow along as well, and some screenshots that you can expand and view. Next, we're going to go and open a tab and go to cubi.casa. Once you have this launched, go to Login. Here you can log in with your account information, or you can log in with Google or Apple. If you don't have an account, you can sign up here. But we're going to go ahead and log in. From this page, you're going to go to Settings, Company, and Developer. Now you'll see a copy button here, but when you do this for the first time, you're going to see it say Generate Key. So go ahead and click that Generate Key and then give it some time. If you find that it gets hung up, you're going to need to refresh the page, and then the copy button should show. So we're going to go ahead and click that copy button now, so we have our key, and then we're going to navigate back to RTV. Now we're going to paste in that key, and then we're going to populate the account email for our CubiCasa account. Go ahead and enable that toggle next, and then hit save. If everything connects properly, you should see account found in green, and it'll have your information. And that's it. You now have your CubiCasa account integrated. Thank you for watching.